Future simple tense. Fill in the blanks quiz. Fill in the blanks using the future simple tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. They blank into their new house next week. Is it A, are going to move, B, is going to move, C, will have moved, or D, shall moved? The correct answer is A, are going to move. They are going to move into their new house next week. I think you blank this restaurant. Is it A, shall to love, B, will love, C, going to love, or D, are go to love? The correct answer is B, will love. I think you will love this restaurant. He blank dinner tonight, he promised. Is it A, is going to make, B, will to make, C, shall makes, or D, is going to make? The correct answer is D, is going to make. He is going to make dinner tonight, he promised. I blank you with your bags. Is it A, going to help, B, will help, C, will have helped, or D, shall to help? The correct answer is B, will help. I will help you with your bags. We, blank, start the class in 5 minutes. Is it A, will starting, B, might to start, C, shall start, or D, going to start? The correct answer is C, shall start. We shall start the class in 5 minutes. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.